The golden sky begins to spill. The air is heavy, hushed and still. Upon the pavement, side by side, the rain and July sorrows glide. Late July is fading out of reach, while winds are playing out across the sea. Our names are blurred upon the glass for each. It smells of warm July rain, sweet and free. The wind has stroked your hair so light.
The world is scattered, quiet in its place.
The sun has set, your golden locks ignite.
Each sound of earth that time cannot erase. The clock is counting seconds slow. The room is filled with chilly air.
A lightning strike, a sudden glow. Above the tired city's weary glare, the rain will stop and drain away. The written words will stay behind upon the glass where shadows play. I love you still, I'm sure to find.
Late July is fading out of reach, while winds are playing out